Welcome to 5 Minutes of Flow from the Guest Bungalow. We traveled responsibly from the east to the west to record this beautiful experience for you. Please join us in a standing posture with a wide stance, and begin by rolling your shoulders back, down, and around. Back, down, and around. Always honoring your body, doing only what feels right to you. Roll your shoulders back one at a time, back one at a time. I love the Vinyasa yoga room, which houses 5 minutes of flow at the Guest Bungalow. If you've yet to establish a regular dedication to your yoga practice, this Vinyasa yoga room is a beautiful gateway, as you only need to dedicate 5 minutes of your day. It would be comparable to the amount of time I hope you dedicate to your dental health. Brushing your teeth, using mouthwash, flossing your teeth. I presume it would amount to around 5 minutes of a daily dedication. A regular dedication to your yoga practice is where the magic lies. It's a lot to ask the body to wake up after a night of rest and expect it to perform all the tasks of the day without a simple stretch. It's also asking too much, in my opinion, to lie down after a day of activities and expect the body to rest peacefully without a stretch to decompress the day away. May the Guest Bungalow, our electronic retreat center, serve you well in establishing a regular dedication to the art and the science of yoga. All offerings are guided at the Guest Bungalow. To enjoy this complete guided experience, visit the Vinyasa Yoga Room for 5 minutes of flow. Bring your hands to prayer pose at your heart center. Thank you so very much for joining us. Wishing you a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste. A very special thank you extends to Sylvia Jean, hairstylist and model, for agreeing to be a part of this beautiful recording experience and joining me on the road trip. We do hope the Guest Bungalow serves you well. Until we meet again, don't forget to stretch. Bye for now.